In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule send in Proton Mail. If you've ever wanted an email to land at the perfect time, say first thing Monday morning or during someone's workday, this feature makes it effortless. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and head to your inbox. Once you're there, glance over to the left side panel. This is where you'll find the main controls for your mailbox and, most importantly for us, the button to begin a new email. Click New Message to open the composer. In the To field, add the email address you want to send your message to. Take a moment to double check spelling and domain. Small typos can bounce a message or send it to the wrong person. Next, add a clear, concise subject. A good subject helps your recipient understand what to expect, and it can improve your chances of a timely response. Now type in your message. Keep it friendly, focused, and easy to scan. If it helps, write your key point in the first sentence and add any necessary context below. Read it once more for tone and clarity to make sure it says exactly what you intend. Once you are done drafting and reviewing, you're ready to schedule it. Instead of clicking send, look for the small drop-down arrow next to the send button. Click that drop-down to reveal additional sending options. From the menu, select Schedule Send. Proton Mail will present suggested times, typically helpful defaults like later today or tomorrow morning, and these are great when you're in a hurry and want a sensible delivery window. If one of those fits your plan, you can choose it and move on. If you need a specific delivery window, click Custom. This opens the date and time picker so you can fine-tune when the email will go out. Set the exact date and time that works best for your recipient, keeping time zones in mind if they're in a different region. Choosing a thoughtful time can improve open rates and response times, especially for work-related messages. After you've set your preferred time, you're all set. Proton Mail will queue the message and send it automatically at the moment you specified. That's the entire process. Open Proton Mail, compose your email, use the drop-down next to send, pick Schedule Send, choose a suggested time or go custom, and add when you want it delivered. With this workflow, you can write when it's convenient for you and deliver when it's ideal for your recipient.